This is my room, 227 at the Golden Gate Hotel. It overlooks Circa. I wanted a room that overlooked Main Street because I thought it would be quieter, but they don't have one at the moment. So as soon as you walk in, the bathroom's right here. Oh, you've got to step up. I almost tripped over it. And hi everybody. And it's small but functional, and here's the shower. Sort of neat looking. Here's the closet right here. We've got an ironing board, an iron. And you have enough room in here for things. TV, chair, lamp, bed. Oh, I've got Elvis in this room. The King. Oh, and Frank Sinatra. Oh, and his daughter. I think that's his daughter there. Hi. And it's overlooking Circa here. So hopefully I can get a room that overlooks Main Street. I think it will be much quieter, but who knows? I might like this and decide to keep it. We'll see. Let's see. I have outlets here. Let's see. I've got an outlet there. Hopefully there's an outlet on the phone. I mean, not the phone, but the lamp, and there are several of them. That's good. So I'd be happy. Yeah, not a bad little room. Big enough. Big enough.